Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Turbo and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are on the standard photo mode, so we have to swipe our finger from the top to the center to open more options and tap on the timer right here. In this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, it will be immediately highlighted here, and also we've got this icon here, so simply tap on the shutter button and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, if you want to, you can quickly turn off the timer just by tapping on this new icon or enter the options and tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.